Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I've been to TJ Maxx, and I was filming, but I wasn't filming. Forgot to turn the camera on, so let's start again. I went to TJ Maxx because a very good friend of mine, told me that they had sponge gels for 50 cents. But she told me that a few days ago, and now by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably about a week ago. By the time I got there, my fault for not running there, like, you know, quitting my job to go run there, but I didn't do it. I took a few days to go, and I scoured TJ Maxx. Ours is a very small TJ Maxx, but I scoured it. I could not find out one sponge gel, but 50 cents. So if y'all have a chance, if you have a TJ Maxx, Marshall's is owned by the same company, you might scout them out and see if maybe you'll find something. Look in the back. Look in the back on the clearance and see if you might find some. I've never seen a sponge gel at TJ Maxx, even at, you know, at a regular price. So, yeah, but I will look from time to time. I'm not a big shopper. I know I've told y'all that before. My TJ Maxx is rather small. When you go in, you go to the left, because to the right is the cashiers. So to the left, there's luggage and purses. Didn't need anything like that. I do like to look at the purses, but I didn't need any, so I didn't want to this time. Then they have jewelry, and they have a beautiful jewelry counter, and then they have all the skincare and hair care and body care products. And then they have shoes and kitchen and all that. Well, anyway, I go immediately to the skincare and I look at the clearance. That's what I do first. I scour the clearance, and then I look at the regular too. They had some beautiful things, beautiful sets of like a soap and a lotion on a little dish and things like that. Really pretty things, but I didn't really need any gifts right now, so I didn't do that. And then to the back is the kitchenware, and I looked at that, looked at the clearance. I love their towels. They have wonderful, I love terry towels. I don't like those new kind of towels that are the absorbent, whatever they call it. To me, they're not absorbent. The microfiber, I like good old fashioned terry. And they always have beautiful sets, but I didn't need any right now. And like I said, I didn't really need a gift right now. So I just sort of looked all over everywhere, looked up, you know, up and down every aisle, that kind of thing, and found some things, of course. So I found some skincare items. I did, you know, they have a food area. Gourmet types of foods, spices, oils, vinegars, and a little dangerous to go down because they have candy. So they did have a little clearance, and I did get this because I'm a sucker for caramels. Look at that bag. Look at that. This will take me a while to eat. My dentist doesn't like me eating things like this because I have crowns that have fallen out. But I will be careful, and I'll maybe suck on them, you know, instead of chew. But these, I don't know the regular price, but they were $4 on clearance. A little steep maybe, but there is, oh, it's a pound. It's 16 ounces. It says, Happy Sweet is the brand, and this is Delicious Morsels Tres Leche Caramels. 16 ounces. So it's just, you know, it's wrapped pretty. It makes a nice gift. The sticker is over the regular price. Sometimes the regular price is just really like $5. Well, all right, the whole thing's coming off. I think it says $4.99 is the regular price. So big deal, $1 off. But heck, you know, I'll take $1 off. And that's something that I'm treating myself with, okay. And then I found some nice sheet masks. So these, I did look for sale. They do have things off to the side usually that are on clearance, but sometimes they're mixed in with the regular. And that's where I found most of these, because off to the side, they didn't have much to choose from. But Kim had sent me this, Kim's Happy Place, sent me one of these mermaid masks, mermaid masks. And I really liked it. It was nice. This is $4.50 on clearance. Again, it might have been $4.99 regular. There's 5 in here. This is the brand Appeal. You know, we all know that brand pretty well. It's a 5-pack Korean mask. Glowing and hydrating. So it's a floral essence, a blue marine complex. Marine complexes are very popular right now. So it's animal test free and vegan, PETA approved. And it is a sheet mask, and it has this beautiful design that goes over your eyes, even though it's a full face mask. And it is a 20-minute mask. And there are 5. I usually take a peek inside, especially when they're on sale, to make sure they're all in there, but I didn't do it this time. But I think they're all in there. Yeah, there's 5. There's 5 in there. And they're just pretty. So I thought I'll get those. They're by the brand Caraway Products. And they're distributed from California. So that is that package there. And next I have a couple of items from the Creme Shop. And these are adorable. These are the kitten mask. I've had these before, super cute. You know, it's a kitten face. And of course I'll do one. But really, this one is for fighting acne. It has witch hazel, but witch hazel is good for your skin. It says animated kitten face mask infused with acne fighting witch hazel. And as a character mask, it says add character to your beauty regimen. There's a set of 3 of these, and they were on sale for $3. And I think these are either $3.99 or $4.99 regular. So I did not open it. It is sealed though. Both ends are sealed, so they're in there, I'm sure, yeah. So here they are. I'll probably send one to a friend. And maybe I'll do that mask with somebody. So we'll see about that. And then I got these. I was looking for some makeup remover wipes. I do like to have them. I do use, when I put on a lot of eye makeup, I like a balm because it really helps work it off. But I do like to use the wipes as well sometimes, especially, you know, if I'm swatching too, especially to have them out here. So this was a package of 2 from the Creme Shop, and I really like their sheet masks. I've had them before from Boxycharm, and they're nice. Not this particular ones. These are Calming Lavender, and you can see that there's 2, you know, and it's sealed together like that. These were on sale for $4. I'm not sure the regular price, but there's 30 in a package, and on Boxycharm, they've been on sale, but the original price is $6 a package. So I'm not sure that these are the same, but they look about the same size, you know. So it says Calming Lavender, and it has a cute penguin-looking creature on there, I think. Does it say it's cruelty-free and vegan, you know, made in Korea, the Creme Shop. And again, it says $4, but it's right over the original tag. I think at TJ Maxx because they scan. I cannot see. $4.99 is the original price. Again, not a great bargain, but so what? I like them and I'll use them. So that's a good one. I like that. And then I have, this one is Hello Kitty. This is Celebrate. It says Me Time. Youth Promoting Printed Essence Sheet Mask with collagen, cucumber, and white tea. And that just sounded so relaxing to me. And it is a character mask also, I do believe. Look at how cute their package is decorated. Pamper yourself with our youth promoting printed essence mask. Yeah, it's printed. So it has Hello Kitty on it. It is on sale for $4.50. See, not a big sale, but it says regular price there is $5.99. So big deal. But, you know, I still like it. And there are 3 of them in there. And I'll probably send them to a friend or 2, and we can do it together on a Mask Monday. Maybe. We'll see about that, if anybody wants to do that with me. And then I have 2 more. I got these, Spa Life. That's a brand that a lot of people, if you use sheet masks, you know that brand. These were $3. Again, I like to know, well, it's taking up the, I can see that, and I see that. What does that say? The regular price is, well, maybe I can't see that. The regular price is really high. It's backwards. I don't know if I'm seeing that properly. Maybe not. It says the regular price is $22, y'all. No wonder it didn't sell. So $3, I wouldn't pay $22 for 6. There's 6 pairs of eye masks in here. But these are the Spa Life Illuminating Diamond Dust under eye patches. So there's 6 pairs. So let's open it up and I'll show you. How is it opening? Oh, it's opening at the top. It's nicely packaged. It's pretty diamond dust. $22. Okay, so see how they are in the sleeve. So these are very nice. They are a clear plastic or a clear, maybe like a silicone-y style. I'm not quite sure what they're made of, but they have sparkles in them, like diamond dust, and they have essence in there if you can see. And the information is on the back of how to use them. 20 minutes. Wow, $22. So I'll be happy to try those. And then I have one more package. This one is by the brand Kala. Again, a name that I know. This is called Skin Smoothing Watermelon. I want to say I might have had this last summer. There are 5 in here, and this was $3. And ultra hydrating with watermelon, cucumber, rosemary, pumpkin, and apple extract. Made in Korea, made in South Korea. And I did not look at any of these, y'all, but they all have all 5 in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5. So how nice is that? That just looks refreshing for summer, especially with the watermelon. And you know, that kind of thing too, in the winter, sometimes they're just fun to do something like that because, you know, makes you think of summer. Okay, so since I have this TJ Maxx haul, and I can put some of these in a giveaway for y'all. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the watermelon, the skin smoothie, it says. I'm going to give you a Spa Life, these beautiful diamond. I'm excited to try these. They just look refreshing. And we'll do one of the Creme Shops, the clear. Again, it says infused with acne-fighting witch hazel. Witch hazel is a wonderful product. It's a toner, a tonic, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to use it all the time if you have dry skin, but it is a good cleanser of your face. It's good for your face. So if this is something that you wouldn't, most of the time when you do a sheet mask, you then pat the essence in afterwards. If you want, you can rinse. It says no rinsing necessary, but if you feel like it might be too dry into your skin, you can rinse it off. But it's adorable because it's this cat. So yeah, I want to do it. And I love witch hazel. Witch hazel is a wonderful item, product, whatever you want to call it, that's been around forever. And old wives' tales, it works. It works. And the Appeal mermaid mask. So this will be the giveaway. These 4 masks. And we'll just say, I don't know what to say. Here's Smudge. You know, I just saw his green eyes, and I see the green of the cucumber. So say the word green, G-R-E-E-N. And it's not really a secret of a giveaway. Well, maybe it is. We'll make this a secret giveaway, so to speak, because I'm not going to put it in the title. But I did tell you about it. If you saw my live that I did, impromptu live on Saturday, I told you to be looking for this. So I thought, I had a $25 gift card. And I used that, and then I had to give the girl $3 and change. So I got all of this for under $30. The 2, and you know, they have these there sitting right next to the regular full price. You know, some of their clearance is still on the regular rack, and then they have clearance areas. So $4, Smudge. I think you dropped my magnifying glass. I hope it's not broken. $3 for these. These were $3, $22 value. Like I said, I wouldn't spend that. That's almost all I spent. $4.50 for these. These were $3. And then this package, what was this package? This was $4.50. Is that all I got? Oh, and then the caramels. I wish I could share some of these with y'all, but they'll be gone before I send this out, maybe. Maybe. Smudge, can you sit? Anyway, y'all, you know, all the rules are below. YouTube has nothing to do with this. Please test your skin, because if you have any allergic reaction, I'm not responsible. I'll put these in the mail, and if they're lost or stolen, I'm not responsible. But please let me know if you don't get it. You know, we can talk. I love you all so much. I'm happy to send more out. Doesn't mean I can send you the same things, but hopefully you're going to get it. Everything's going to be just fine. I honestly will tell you that I've never had that happen where something was lost. I have had things that have been lost for a while, but then they show up. That has happened. And even with priority mail, which I will not send these out priority mail probably, but I had sent to a friend that I really wanted her to get it quickly because she was in a dark place. She just wasn't, you know, she was down. So I wanted to send her something, and it took like 10 days for her to get a 2-day package. So, of course, I thought it was lost. And try to get any help from the post office. Well, I shouldn't say the post office. My post office is very helpful, but you have to do that stuff online. They don't help you at all. And I don't know what would have happened if it was lost, because you do get, with priority mail, you get insurance. I think it's $50 or $100 insurance, but you can't make any claim because it keeps popping you out. But just as I was trying to make a claim, it appeared at her house. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Check out, if you can, check out your TJ Maxx and try to get you some 50-cent sponge gel. If I ever see sponge gel out there, I will buy them, because I'm sure they'll be below the, you know, regular price of sponge gels are $14 to $18, you know, for a regular. So it's a good deal if you can get them on sale. Thank y'all. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.